Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the electrode from the spark plug, and this is how it's going to look. Let's go ahead and open a new SolidWorks document, select your part. Let's make this plane white and let's open a sketch in the front plane. And now we'll start with line and let's make the next sketch. Make something like this, and now let's use Smart Dimension to define it. First, this line here will have 18.75. This one here will have 5. Everything is in millimeters. Actually here, let's delete this line. Here should be a small line like this. Okay. And this one will have 0.15 millimeters. This line here will have 1.3. This one will have 2.75. And now let's make a center line. Now Smart Dimension, let's give here some dimensions. So select this line and this center line. If you go with the dimension above the center line, it will be the radius, because at the end we're gonna use revolved boss base to make this part. And if you go under this center line, it will be the diameter. And here this diameter will be 2 millimeters. And this line here will have 0.15. And this diameter, this one will be 2. And then this other one will be 3.8. And now this is fully defined. Go to features, use revolved boss base command, and here should be selected this center line. Press OK. And now select this face, open a sketch, and here select circle, make a small circle, and this one will have the diameter 0.5. Go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here the length will be 1.84. Press OK. And now select fillet, and we'll select this edge. Here the radius will be 0.75. Press OK. And then another fillet with 0.1 the radius, and we'll select this edge. Press OK. And I'll have to open a new sketch on this face. And here we'll start with corner rectangle. Select this point with this one and select here make vertical. And now let's give some dimensions. This line here will have 0.75. And from this center point to this line, there will be 1.45. And now let's give here a dimension of 1. Now we'll select tangent arc and we'll make here an arc. First, for this arc to work, make this line for construction geometry. And now select tangent arc. And we can see that it's working better. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command. And here we'll, instead of blind, we'll select up to next. Okay, so, or up to surface, it's the same. Actually, to work, select here reverse the direction, and then we can select up to next, because in this direction was no next, was no other part. And now we can see that it's working. Press OK, and now we'll have to make 2 more of this, and to do this we'll go up here to linear pattern, select circular pattern, and here the direction should be any round edges or faces. Here we'll keep these settings, equal spacing, 360 degrees and 3 instances. We'll select here the features we want to mirror. It should be only this boss extruded. We can see here the preview and press OK. Nice, and now let's apply some fillets. So the first fillet will have the radius 0.25. And we'll have to select this edge with this one and with this one. And do this for all of these 3 sides. And you should have 9 edges in total. Press OK. Now let's make another fillet with radius 0.1. And for this one, we'll select this face, press OK, and this should be it. And this is the electrode for our spark plug. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.